Guys, in this video we will learn about the sketch relations. So in this video we will give some relations to the entities like line, circle, etc. So let us open SolidWorks, a new part file, and we will select the front plane for sketching. So if you take a line and move it like this, so if you observe, when the line is horizontal, you are getting a small yellow icon here. If you observe, and in it we can see a small horizontal line. So if it escape, we can see this green color icon here, which is also saying that the line is horizontal. So if we click on that line on the left side in the existing relations, we can see the relation horizontal. So we can say that this line is horizontal. Okay, so same for the vertical option as well. If I draw a vertical line, the yellow icon appears again, saying that the line is horizontal. And if you see in the existing relations, the relation is vertical. Okay, let us draw a random line, say like this, and now I want to make it horizontal. So how can we do this? So we can do this by just right clicking on the line and select the make horizontal option here. So we got an horizontal line. Now can we make this line into a vertical line? So I am right clicking it again and selecting this icon here, make vertical. So this should make the line vertical, right? But we have got an error here saying that the item is unsolvable. So this is because the line is already linked with the horizontal relation here. So to make this line vertical, we need to delete the horizontal relation. Okay, so now you can see the line is vertical. So like this, we have some other relations like collinear, perpendicular, parallel, equal for the lines. Okay, and concentric, tangential, and equal curve for circles and curves. Okay, so next we have the collinear relationship. So for this I will draw two random lines like this and like this, and I want this line to be collinear with this line. So press and hold your control button and select these two lines and click on the collinear option over here. So you can see that they are collinear now. So next we have the perpendicular relation. So I'm going to draw another line like this, and I want this line to be perpendicular with this line. So select these two lines by holding the control button and click on perpendicular option. So now if I extend this point, you can see a perpendicular relation over here. Okay, and next we have the parallel relation. So for this I'm drawing another line. So now I want this line to be parallel with this line. Okay, so click on control and select these two lines and click on parallel option over here. So now this line is parallel to this line. Okay, and you can fix this lines also by selecting this make fixed option, so that it won't move from its place. Okay, so next we have the collinear relation. So for this I will draw two circles like this, and I am going to make their centers common. To this I need to select the concentric option over here. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So then we have the tangential relationship. So I will draw a line like this. I want this line to be in tangent with this circle. So I'm going to select these two entities, and I'm going to click on the tangent option. So if I move this line, it will be tangential to that entity. In this case, the entity is the circle. It may be a curve as well. Okay. Then we have the equal curve length relation. So for this we need a line and a curve. So I've got a line and a curve, and this relation makes the length of these two entities equal. Okay, so I'm selecting these two entities, and I'm going to click equal curve length option over here. So it makes the length of this line and the length of the arc equal. Okay, that's it. Thank you guys.